Hey everyone, today I have an Assa 700. It's got 7 pins, all security pins, and there's counter milling in 4 chambers that I have to float pick out of. I'll use counterclockwise tension. Pins 3, 5, and 7 are tapered pins, and they usually set first. There's a good click out of 3, click out of 5, click out of 6, click out of 7, there we go, tap 3, and it went into a false set. So that means the 3 tapered pins are set. Pins 1 and 2 are Christmas tree spools. So those are going to pick initially kind of like a regular spool. There's a big lip, they'll give some counter rotation and a set. There's number 1, counter rotation, number 2, counter rotation, went back to our false set. Number 1 dropped. Number 1 is set. And number 2 feels set. So that initial lip just acts like a spool, and now I'll have to float pick. Number 4 and 5 or number 4 and 6 are gin spools. So I'm gonna go backwards on the tension really slowly, and I'm gonna bounce the pick up and down. I'm trying to work the spool out of the counter milling by bouncing the pick. And as soon as I get it to move, there we go. As soon as I got it to move, I put the tension back on, and it pushed over the milling and set. It sounded like I dropped something when I did that. Here's number 4, another gin spool. Bouncing pick pressure, going backwards on the tension very slowly. Four is set. 6 still feels set. Should just be 1 or 2 left. One was stuck on something weird, but I tapped 1 and then Then number 2 started giving feedback. There we go, now it feels normal. One and 2 feel set. I think I dropped number 4. Oh, I dropped 4 and 6. And there we go, got it open. I'm not sure what was going on with pin 1 in that one. I had to tap it and set it a couple times. And then it finally opened when I set number 4. There it is, lock is open. I'm gonna lock it back up and gut it from the top because this lock is actually grub screwed. Here's number 1, and this one will be a Christmas tree with a master wafer. 1 and 2 are mastered. And I need those wafers in there for the key to work, unfortunately, so I can't take them out. Number 2, another Christmas tree with a master wafer. Three, I'll be one of the tapered pins. Some of these have torpedo key pins too, but I can't remember which chambers have those. 4 will be a gin spool. There's a gin spool with a torpedo key pin. Five is a tapered pin. Six, gin spool with a torpedo key pin. And 7, tapered pin with a torpedo key pin. I'll get the C-clip off the back and show the counter milling in the plug. There'll be gin bottle counter milling in chambers 1, 2, 4, and 6. There it is. Chamber 1, 2, 4, 6 have counter milling. There's no milling in the tapered pin chambers. And there it is, the Assa 700. 2 Christmas trees, 2 gin spools, and 3 tapered pins. Thanks for watching.